This second video will talk about the blocks considered to be more advanced: rotate servo motor and get last servo position. These blocks depend on an understanding of the capabilities of the servo motor. The motor relies on an index of positions it can be in. The motor has a starting position to the left, which is numbered as position 1. The ending position to the right is position 255, and you can move the motor to any position between those two, but not above or below them. Because this location is a number, you can manipulate it by adding or subtracting amounts, or get the number of the position. The two advanced blocks in the servo motor menu are rotate servo motor and get last servo position. Rotate servo motor moves the servo motor similar to set servo position, but it doesn't move it to a set position every time. Instead, the number you input is how far forward or backwards the motor will rotate based on its starting point. So if it starts at 100 and you rotate it plus 50, it will move 50 units forwards, and if you rotate it by minus 50, it will move 50 units back. To show this, grab a set servo position block, connect it to the start, and set the position to 50. Next, grab a wait block from the flow menu and connect it to the set position block. Set the time to be about a second. Last, grab a rotate servo motor block, connect it to the wait block, and type in 100. When you launch the program, you'll see that it moves to position 50 at first, and then moves forward by 100 units. The second advanced block is the get last servo position block. This block gives you the number of the last position the servo motor was in when the block was activated. This is so that you can use that number later on in your programs if you need it. Let's add this block onto the end of our previous program so that we can see what its final position ended up at. Connect it to the rotate servo motor block. Then, grab a display value block from the logging menu. Connect that to the get last servo position block. Link the blue pins and launch the code. You should see that the final position of the servo was 150. That completes the servo motor menu. We hope that after watching these videos, you know a bit more about the servo motor and what you can do with it.